We are looking at how to pronounce this word in British English and in American English, and at what is its meaning. An epoch, for the purposes of chronology and periodization, is an instant in time chosen as the origin of a particular calendar era. The epoch serves as a reference point from which time is measured. Similarly, in computing, an epoch is a date and time from which a computer measures system time. Oh, and you've heard me say epoch, yeah? Because that's the way the Americans say it, but you have to know that the British say it differently as epoch. Epoch or epoch. Both pronunciations are correct, just different ways of saying it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce those words whose pronunciations differ between British English and American English. See you there to learn more.